Alright, so I've taken the file that you sent on over here and I'm going to go ahead and work with it. It may just be like this P has this little tiny thing here that's going to drop out, and we have this O, this D, and this A. Looking through it, the way we traditionally add or remove pieces off of in something like this is you would go something along the lines of hold shift and click on the two different shapes and go path difference. Unfortunately, path difference doesn't work in this case. It just doesn't actually apply. So if we hold shift and hold shift and then we go path union, it does absolutely nothing. And there is a lot of reasons why that could be the case. But what we need to do is actually select it using the edit paths by node tool. We're actually going to click on this, and then we're going to hold shift, and then we'll click on this here, and then all we have to do is go path union, and it'll actually allow you to do that. But you have to be in the edit paths by node tool in order to allow you to then add these individually because of the way that this is built. There's a couple of weird rules about it. Because in some cases, absolutely, you can do this without having that. So, do this with the pointer tool. There are ways in which to do this, but because of the nature of how we have multiple shapes, inset and outset on this, because of the nature of the way this is built and grouped together currently, you can't do it in the same way. So because this A is in the middle or cut out of the middle of this piece, we're actually just trying to add this bar into this piece. Again, it's a little bit of what I call machine logic or the computational logic or computer logic in this because it recognizes layers, cutouts, and shapes in a way that we wouldn't typically or normally think about. It just doesn't naturally come to us. So pointer tool, I've selected one, hold shift, select the other. We went path union, and we're just going to keep doing that. We'll hold shift and click this one. Go path union. Same thing with this one. Hold shift and then go path union. And see, I didn't have to actually select the outside shape again because the outside shape was already selected. So, and now we have a series of slots on a part that we don't have to worry about. Oh, wait, hold up. Hold up. Oh, can't do that. All right. So this is where it gets interesting. I think. How do I want to do this? All right. I think we're going to go CV and V and V. So I'm just copy and pasting these little things here by hitting Control C and then just hitting Control V multiple times where I want to put it. Yeah, let's see. Okay, we're going to have it do that. All right. Let's click on this. Hold Shift, do this. Path union. Awesome. Click this. And we're going to go path union. Oh, it's not going to let me do that. All right. Shift. Path union. All right. Hold shift. Click on the shape. Go path union. I'll do that one more time. So clicking on the shape itself while holding shift. Path union. Now here's the difficulty here. If you do this wrong, so I'm going to click here, accidentally click here. And let's say I don't click shift and I click this and I happen to, I don't know, hit something wrong here, like I did something like this. Despite the fact that they're selected, if I go path union, it's not going to work properly. So we have to make sure we hit shift and click on the shape and not select anything else. Go path union. Okay, cool. Hold shift, path union, hold shift, click, path union, and done. Now let's take. Oh, hold up. Let's take a look here. Okay. Yeah, there we go. See, I'm actually a fan of that one. Yeah. Okay, we'll take that. That works. Cool. So again, it's in this case we're going to be doing a path union because we're joining pieces together, and as opposed to removing pieces like we would in other operations. Again, weird bit of logic. The reason behind it is because this is already empty. And to give you an example of that is these letters in the middle, you'll notice right back here, I have this little line. this line that is the outside edge of this, but you'll notice if I pass over it, it's already cut out of the overriding shape, the overriding doggy. So we have to add this bar onto this shape. We have to do it by using the edit vector by nodes because it's already, the letters are no longer their own shape. They're actually just cutouts from this animal, and they're not actual, let's call them, letters in that respect. So hopefully that helped you out, pointed you in the right direction. Give it a shot. I will try to find another way to better phrase all of this, but this should get you going in the right